Entomologists have surmised that there are anywhere from 6 to 10 million species of insects in the world. Now, we're not going to talk about all of those. We're going to talk about one today. But come on, what would a summer survival guide be without a chapter on mosquitoes? I hate those things. Take an average-sized yard like this, put 50 people in it, put me on that side and one mosquito on that side, and that mosquito is going to find me. Now, for most people, just an over-the-counter repellent is going to get you through the summer. But me, I don't like spraying chemicals on my skin. So here are some chemical-free alternatives that you may want to think about. For topical applications, just take about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add some essential oil to it, about 20 drops of eucalyptus oil, cinnamon oil, lemon oil. It actually is tingly on the skin. It feels great. It smells wonderful, but mosquitoes can't stand it. So there's a good option. If you're in one location, here's something really simple. It involves nothing more than a fan. If you just stand in the way of a fan that's moving, the air pretty much prevents those mosquitoes from landing on you. Around the yard, I love this tip. Think about this. They look nice, they smell good to you, but mosquitoes can't stand it. Lavender, sage, lemon tiegrass, rosemary, very fragrant. Something this simple. Look, marigolds. These are beautiful flowers with a wonderful aroma. Mosquitoes do not like it, so plant these around your yard. Now, my favorite tip of all, if you're doing any barbecuing, take a sprig of rosemary and soak it in water 5 to 10 minutes. And then when you're ready to barbecue, take that sprig and put it on the grill. Put it on top of the coals. It's going to create this beautiful smoky aroma, your own personal mosquito fogger, and here's the best part. It's going to make your steaks and hamburgers taste wonderful.